In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can complete the End of Oak Street Discord quest. So to get quests, click on Discover there, and then you want to click on Quests underneath Servers. So once you've clicked on Quests, you'll see all the available quests right now, and you want to scroll down to the End of Oak Street. You can get 700 orbs for completing this quest. So click on launch quest, and then you basically just need to authenticate this. So keep scrolling, click on to authorize, and it's pretty simple. You have to now ride your bicycle through the Oak Street and you collect things and try not to crash. And once you've done the full 100% completion, you'll be able to get your 700 orbs. So once this loads up, we'll give this a try. So right now you can click on start and it will start up select character. I'll go on easy mode. And now we just need to go ahead and complete this. So you can ride on the sides. So you just need to try and not crash. So when that happens, you want to go all the way to the side. And you just need to basically, and as you can see, I crashed right there, but you get the idea. You can see I made it 20%. And once you get to 100%, it is quite difficult. So you may have to play it again a few times, but eventually you'll be able to claim the reward. So as you can see, I did try it again. I got to the end. I made it 100%. Then you just click on claim reward. And you do this, wait, are you human? You click I am human. And now you can see your orbs balance is now 1,400. Great work. Let's get you spending. So now you can get tickets or whatever. But I have successfully completed the End of Oak Street Discord quest. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.